Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're gonna be rocking this natural hairstyle. Now, I told you guys a little while ago that U-parts are not for me because I can never find one that matches my hair, whether it's straight, blow dried, or whatever the case may be, and also one that'll cover my natural hair. My natural hair is very thin and it's very fine, and you'll see that when I take my real hair down from a braid up in just a moment. It's just like thin because like I don't have a lot of strands of hair, and then it's fine because each individual strand is actually very thin. So I just wasn't blessed in that department, and plus I have a huge forehead, so typically I don't go for the U-part wigs, but lately I've been trying to step out of my comfort zone, and so I love the fact that Nadula Hair was able to send me this one. Me in my own head thinking that it wasn't going to work out, it absolutely did. Not only does the wig fit, not only does the tracks not show, more importantly than anything, I did leave out, but I only had to blow dry it on a cool setting. Look up close. You can see my real hair here, but if you just go ahead and use a little wax to kind of like hold that together, or a little hairspray, you cannot tell where my real hair is. You cannot see any tracks, and that is what I love about this wig. So I'm not going to hold you guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. That would help me out so much. And this is the packaging if I did not mention already. Let's jump right into the video. Today we are working with a U-part wig. So I don't know how long it's been since I've done a U-part on this channel. You guys have seen me do the V-parts, but this is a U-part, the OG that started it all. This is what she looks like from the inside, and then I'm gonna cut these little pieces off, but I wanted to show you the construction of the cap. It comes with these pieces here. I mean, if you want to leave them there, I'm not sure how that would work in covering because you gotta part your hair, but yeah. These are just there, so like if you want to put the wig on the wig head or just keep the wig in a perfect circle, you have something to go ahead and like put it on, and then you cut them off when you're ready to actually install her. But as I mentioned, she is a 24-inch kinky straight lace wig, so if anything is going to blend in with your natural hair, it's probably going to be a kinky straight wig. So my hair is just braided up. I did co-wash it in the shower yesterday because I was supposed to film this video yesterday, and so I ended up just braiding it up so that it wouldn't I'm very tender-headed, so if I just leave it in a ponytail or whatever when I detangle it, oh Lord Jesus. So I just cut those little pieces off. Very easy prep. As I mentioned, in the inside, this is what it looks like, but as you guys can see, there are combs. There are two on the side, and these are the kind that you just like slide into your hair, and then one in the center, so it's like a whole U. And then in the back, there's also a comb, and then you have your adjustable straps. They did include like the extra lace in the back, the way they set it up. So let me just cut this little piece off so that we can go ahead and get started with the install. Okay, so now that we've done that, we cut off that excess lace, and then I adjusted these straps to go as tight as they could. That way the wig itself will grip the back of my head really nicely. That way it won't fit too big. Now let's go ahead and just undo the braids. I'm going to speed through this. We're going to part out the section of hair that we're going to use as leave out, and then we will start the process of our install.
I don't want to slow down, I don't want to slow down, I don't want to slow down till I burn out. I just want to live fast, I don't want to look back and say I could have done more than I did not.
Okay, so let's get started. You guys already know about my natural hair. If you've been following me, when you see me pregnant, my hair be so long and thick and flourishing, and when I'm not pregnant, you know, it just gets a little crazy. So I am, as I always say, committed to starting a natural hair journey and just getting my hair to flourish, and thrive the best I can. But let's go ahead and part out the hair that we're going to use for the actual U shape.
Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But
you guys already know it's Black Friday, so go ahead and check the description box. There are lots of deals and sales going on for Nadula Hair at the moment, so don't forget to collect your savings. Check out the description box and you can see what sale they're having.
Only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die.
Now I must say, I really like the way she fits, and I also like the fact that you have this type of comb. The other ones work, But again, I'm extremely tender-headed, so with the other kind, if it snags, I have to admit it really does hurt. Like, I don't feel any snagging at all. You can also like braid your hair around here to use as an anchor. You can sew it down. There are so many things you can do to make this work for you. That actually fits like a glove. Now, there is just little pieces right here that look light. Because my hair is so thin, I want to make sure everything around looks as dark as possible. Just because I don't want to be able to see these tracks. Or not tracks, but you know, like the wefts, the wig at all. I may have to put a little bit of heat. So this is what my hair looks like.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew.
Okay. Now you guys know my fear with U-part wigs is that it's not gonna cover. But it looks like we're actually pretty good. Let's just make it blend. So
I just wanna be free. With people like me, I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night.
Okay, so I don't feel like I would necessarily need this, but I just want to show you a quick trick. Use black, but I just found these right on top, so I'm just going to use these gold ones. But if you want to make sure that it is super secure all the way around, just take and move the wig how you want it to. And then you can use bobby pins like all underneath and all throughout to secure her. Again, just make sure it's black because you don't want to see gold bobby pins. Okay, I found black, never mind. And that blends amazing, y'all. I got a huge forehead, so this is crazy. I'm just gonna add a little bit of those hair fibers to the front. I do have like baby hair here, but it's so subtle that you can't really see it. Whoa! Don't do that! Do not do that. That was a fail. Let's just take it off. That was enough. A hard no. Don't do that. Don't try that at home. Now, I just did my makeup not too long ago, so I'm just going to take whatever residue is on my sponge and my powder brush and just make sure my forehead doesn't end up looking dirty. It's already big enough. Now, as I mentioned, this one did come from Nadula, and this is the long bag that the wig came in. And as I said before, it tells you on here, hair is disinfected. The origin of the hair is Brazilian hair. This is their box. This here also had a bag of goodies. You guys already know we love being spoiled with goodies, and you guys know I'm obsessed with these lashes. All the companies are sending these beautiful like 3D mink lashes. So when you guys ask me where they're from, maybe I should figure out where they are from and sell them to you guys, because you guys know Bedeck Beauty is on the rise. I do have Bedeck Beauty. I'll have a link to it in the description box, but that is my new company where I'll be selling hair products. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna do a video on everything and show you all the products pretty soon, but I just want to let you know Bedeck Beauty is on the rise, and we will be selling lashes, I think, because you guys always want to know where my lashes come from. This here is just like a wig brush. I like them in these small sizes just because this is something that is small enough that I can throw it in my purse. And if you didn't know, animal print is my ultimate favorite thing ever. So I'm addicted, obsessed with animal print. Like, I think I'm gonna be a crazy animal print lady when I'm older. But they also gave me a pair of wig caps, and last but certainly not least, they gave me a nice little scarf. So they did send me a little bit of what's going on. All this is in the description box. I just want to reiterate it in the video. They do have payment plans where you'll be able to pay off your wig in 4 installment payments. That is key, especially right now when you got to spend all your money on family and friends and your kids and all of that. If you still want to look right, you can get an installment payment plan to go ahead and fund your wig. They do have the coupon code YTBGIFT, and you can enter that at checkout and get an extra $10 off, which is absolutely everything. So be sure to check out the description box for that. As I mentioned, this is a 24-inch glueless kinky straight U-part wig, and literally I was able to take my hair out of those Meek Mill braids, put this little baby on, and literally you guys see my hair is in a big bun in the back. You cannot tell at all. It's nice, full, voluminous, and it definitely blends with my complexion. It blends with my real hair. It blends with my real hair perfectly. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, and all of the holidays that apply to you. I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to check out Bedeck Beauty. That is coming very soon. I have it linked in the description box. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!